Hello. Other perspective, as always, we say. I always like filming inside the car because automatically the car has a noise cancellation method. Any car has this feature. Do you need a lawyer? Does anybody need a lawyer? You don't need a lawyer in one case. In one case, and that case if you are a lawyer yourself. But generally, needing a legal consultation or lawyering activity is a vital and comprehensive part of our daily life. From my view and experience, I think everybody needs lawyer because needing a lawyer is a procedural issue, not subjective issue, a procedural issue. And this procedural issue is what the law say and what lawyers experiencing on an everyday basis inside police stations and public prosecutions procedures and in the face of the court and judgment. You need a lawyer to reach your rights. Any rights have a queue and multiple procedures to reach these rights. In Sudan, lawyer means someone who studied in a law school for 5 years and get LLB and laws and train it for 1 year and get a license as a lawyer before all courts. The least experienced lawyer in Sudan has 7 years. 7 years of studying and examinations inside the college and bar examination and other examinations. So the least experienced lawyer in Sudan has at least 6 or 7 years. So a person with that description is a very needed person, I think. There is many issues in law, and for example, in contract, you need a lawyer for forming the contract, or at least if you have no choice to admit the contract, you need a lawyer to read and understand the clauses of this contract. In policing and public prosecution procedures, you need a lawyer in case you being prosecuted to give the examiner the exact answer for their questions. Before the courts, litigation and pleading before the courts has exact procedures and rules. For example, delivering documents and examining witnesses. There is many procedural rules governing these issues, and generally courts has many levels. You have a first instance court and appellant court and high court. Any court has procedural rules governing delivering the evidence before that court. For example, there is no way to deliver some defenses before the appellant court, and you have no right to deliver a facts before the court of appeal or the high courts. So you need to deliver all those evidences and documents before the first instance courts. So those things is knowledgeable by the lawyers, and it's something out of your knowledge and your exercise, unless you are a lawyer. And for example, also in Sudan and in the civil litigation, there is a fees to be paid before your case delivered to the court. So you need to ask lawyer if this case is acceptable before paying the judicial fees for this case. So needing a lawyer is crucial, and it's procedural matter. We all agree that in the part of in the sector of financial and banking, the contracts are highly sophisticated and has many deeply and technical legal terms. No way to understand those terms unless you ask a consultation by an experienced lawyer. So needing a lawyer, it's not matter of paying without getting. It's matter of actual need, and especially the other part, or the other part in your case has a lawyer or representing himself by legal representation. So I hope that is clear. Until next time, I wanted this video to be short and fundamental. Until next time, see you soon. Asim Bakar Osman, Sudanese lawyer.